You're experiencing foundation problems, and foundation problems in Texas aren't just inconvenient, they're expensive and they're stressful. And if you use the wrong repair method, you could be dealing with cracks, shifting, and repeat issues for years to come. That's why choosing how your home is supported matters just as much as who does the work. So the question you're probably asking yourself right now is, what's the best solution for Texas soils? Drilled bell-bottom piers or pressed piles? I'm also an Anchor Foundation Repair. We've been installing drilled bell-bottom piers here in Texas for the last 40 years. They take more time and effort to install, but we've seen them outperform faster and cheaper methods again and again, especially in our expansive clay soils here in our area. So what's the difference between pressed piles and drilled piers? Pressed piles are driven into the ground using a hydraulic press. It's faster and it's cheaper, but it depends entirely on the soil resistance for its lifting force and its stability. That's risky in layered or expansive clay soils like we have a lot of here in Texas. Drilled bell-bottom piers, on the other hand, we drill a shaft, clean out the bottom, and then we flare out that bell shape at the bottom, and then we fill it with steel rebar and concrete. That bell shape at the bottom gives your home a solid footing. It's like a snowshoe in the soil. It spreads the load out and resists uplift even when the clay soils are getting saturated and expand and contract. Research and experience show bell-bottom piers are stronger, more stable, and longer lasting in this region. What should you do from here? If you're comparing different foundation repair options, ask this. Is the company doing pressed piles because it's easier and faster for them to do, or because it's best for your home? We choose drilled bell-bottom piers not because we know that they're easy, because they're certainly not. We choose them because we know that they are the most permanent solution to repair your home's foundation. If you want to see how the bell-bottom pier process works step by step, we're going to put a link down below in the description that'll take you to our complete guide to Brazos Valley foundation repair. Of course, if you do live here in our area, I'm more than happy to talk with you and discuss your potential foundation repair needs.